Alright, let's talk about YouTube and how they show videos to people and don't sometimes, and how it doesn't make sense. So I got a bunch of shorts on there, usually aviation stuff, and I have an old 37200 I worked on, and I have picture little short videos of it taking off, flybys, whatever. So several of those have gotten I mean a ton of hits. I mean a lot. And so what I don't get is how a very similar video will get 3,000 views within the first hour maybe, and the next week I show one a little similar. It's got all the same tags, very similar title, but it came out yesterday and I've got 2 views. How does that happen? Every other one I've showed has a crap load of views. That doesn't make sense. And the same with some of these motorcycle videos I put out. Some of these things get a ton of views, and the pretty much the same video gets released a few weeks later, just different footage, and it'll get none. So how do they figure what gets shown and what doesn't? It doesn't make sense. As far as views go, I've got a bazillion views. My subscribers feed's steadily going up. It's slow, but motorcycles are not the best thing for a lot of subscribers, honestly, unless you're doing something stupid like the most wanted man in the world, Jixabra. Man, I used to love his stuff. I hope he comes back. I hope we don't get in trouble too bad. But I mean, come on guys, how is that possible? That one video will get a bazillion views and the next one just gets nothing, and they're pretty much same tags, same title, released the same hour of the day, you know, same day. It doesn't make sense. Another thing to get you on YouTube is if you cuss. I've got one of the videos where I cussed a little bit because I had a concussion after a bad wreck, and my mind was not quite with it. I should have bleeped it all out, but I didn't, because I wanted everybody to know just how screwed up it was. But that one is getting shunned. It's like, in fact, my whole channel after that video was released got shunned for a long time. It was like they wasn't showing my videos at all. So I've learned I'm gonna start bleeping some of this crap out so I don't get in trouble. Yeah, which is weird because my channel's for adults. It's not even set for kids, you know what I mean? But I'll show you an example. Is this one 37200 taking off video right here, and I'll put it in here right now. They got a pile of views. The very next week I put in this video and it got 2 views. How is that possible? So anyway, we're gonna go explore something here in a minute. Ooh, I just thought some school's in. I don't know if, there I go cussing again. School's in, so I don't know if this is a good idea or not. It's right next to a school. I don't know if I want to explore this or not. We'll see. We'll see. But the whole YouTube thing is starting to really just aggravate me. I was kind of hoping not to get rich, but just get enough money to support my addiction to motorcycles. There's a lot of people here. I don't think I'm going to explore this. There's much stuff back here. School wasn't in. If it was Saturday, I'd go over there. But anyway, getting back to YouTube. So you explain to me how this video and that other video I just showed can have such different first day results. You know what I mean? Both of them are cool videos. I mean, if you're into airplanes, yeah. If you're an airplane nut, you know, 37200s, you just don't see them no more, and that's pretty cool. If you're not, you don't really give a damn. But anyway, it's really not about that. It's about the views, and the same with the bike videos. So I don't know, YouTube is really aggravating me as far as that goes. How videos just aren't getting, you know, put out there. But the same with, you know, come to think of it, it's the same with some of my barber small bore videos from last year. I've got, let's look at the Suron video. I got one Suron video that's got 1 million hits, and I put out the second one, his other run, pretty much same title, same everything, and it didn't get as many hits. It got like half. It doesn't make sense, you know. It's just crazy. And the biggest thing, if I get 500 more subscribers, then I can start making some money and maybe buy more than an occasional motorcycle. But that's all I want out of this whole YouTube thing. It's just enough money coming in so I can, you know, it'd be cool to have another one of these. I want one for road course racing and one for stunting. I think my son rather stunt and I rather road course race. But, you know, the price of these things, you can only get so much. But why don't y'all leave in the comments if y'all have a channel with similar experiences. I'll tell you what, we'll go explore. I haven't been back there in a long time. There's a little cemetery up here.